Tonight we're going to be doing the Pesky heater hose on the side of the block of this LX450. And along with the Pesky heater hose, we're going to change these hoses up here and the heater control valve. We got the hose kit from peskyheaterhose.com and of course the valve from Toast. Alright, so now that the old one's off, the easiest way to do this is to take your clamps off and put your clamps on the steel line first, slide them up, and then you basically got to bend this thing like this. So once you bend this real tight, it's almost going to make a 90 degree. You're going to slip it onto one end of the hose, and then you're going to slip the steel pipe into that, and then you're going to put your clamps on it. Alright, so you can see I got the hose on, the clamps are sitting above it right up there. And before I tighten those clamps up, I'm going to go up top. I'm going to tighten the bolts that hold the steel coolant line first, and then I'll come back down and set the clamps. So on the back side of the intake manifold back here, there's a bolt that's a pain in the butt to get to on that tube. And the special tool that I use is a 1/4 inch flex head ratchet with vice grips locked on the handle. Coolant's topped off. We're checking everything for leaks right now. Everything's looking good up here. Sounds like we got an idler pulley we got to fix. And dry down here too.